Every inch holds the ocean, salt pressed into paint like a memory that refuses.
Beneath all that silence,
Even after all this time, the fins still reach for
a mirror, slowly remembering what it was meant to be.
each spoke remembers, slowly it returns to life.
Washed, revealed, yet the years remain, telling their quiet story.
Quiet now, the giant rests, dripping with memory and water.
behind the door, decades of silence linger in pink leather and dust.
Every fragment lifted, revealing the floor beneath years of neglect.
Turn slowly, feel the years resist, then release.
Lift gently, let the leather rest, and breathe once more.
Years of sand and salt finally released, layer by layer.
Every sweep uncovers what was hidden, slowly bringing order to the floor beneath. Slowly, the layers part, revealing what has long been hidden.
Each chrome piece lifted carefully, resting before renewal.
Slowly, the rust gives way. Even now, the metal rests, transformed and steady, ready for what comes next.
even strokes. Old paint dulls, dust rising like memories fading gently. Fine particles drift, old pink fading slowly to reveal what lies beneath. Gentle strokes, pink mist settles, color returning to its original brilliance.
Horizontal strokes. Color flows evenly, gloss restoring the Cadillac's timeless curves.
Still now, the pink settles, reflections sharpening, the Cadillac's curves renewed.
Slowly the fins glow in pink, rising proudly, every contour touched with care.
Still and perfect, every panel rests, freshly coated, pink and pristine.
Slow, even layers. Shine returns, the pink deepening under a glassy cloak.
Smooth and still, the shine spreads, reflections flowing like liquid over every curve.
Slowly, water carries away residue, smoothing every curve, revealing perfection beneath our hands.
Water glides, carrying away the last traces of work, leaving paint perfectly smooth beneath.
Wide, even strokes, the creamy compound spreads, coaxing the pink surface toward brilliance.
Slowly, the buffer restores shine, reflections deepening, the hood glowing under careful hands.
Still and perfect, the chrome reflects every light, clean and mirror-like, waiting to return to the car.
Slowly, each arm and bracket finds its place beneath the Giant, secured with care and precision. Steady turns, each bolt clicks home, securing the suspension with patient precision.
Slowly, the engine descends, settling into place, each mount aligning with quiet precision.
Gently, each wire guided, every loom secured along its rightful path.
Click by click, each connection seats perfectly, secure and silent beneath the hood. Gently, each sheet pressed into place, contours embraced, preparing the cabin for comfort. Slowly, each seat guided into place, aligned perfectly, leather resting flawlessly on its tracks.
Smooth and supple, the leather rests, even and clean, reflecting care and craftsmanship.
Gently, panels glide into place, edges aligning perfectly, the interior restored with care. Slowly, each screw seats perfectly, securing the interior with care and precision.
Calm and elegant, chrome accents frame the cabin, reflections soft, the interior complete.
Resting now, chrome edges gleaming softly, emblems settled perfectly on flawless pink panels.
Bright and crisp, white walls resting flawlessly,
rubber clean and uniform beneath the Cadillac.
Water slides away, leaving pink perfection, flawless and gleaming under gentle light.
Still and luminous, the pink finish glows, rich and flawless beneath gentle light.
Still and flawless, every curve reflecting light, lines flowing uninterrupted across the Cadillac's body.
Flawless, chrome bars reflecting sky and surroundings with quiet brilliance.
Subtle hues dance across pink panels, sky and sea reflected perfectly, still and serene.
Smooth and flawless, leather supple beneath your eyes, stitching perfect and precise.